Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to bring you an in-depth review of a unique and innovative housing solution, the Barn Homes double-story flat pack house. You may check the link below to get this today at the best price available. This modern, foldable tiny home offers an all-in-one package for those looking to downsize, live sustainably, or simply enjoy the convenience of a mobile home. Let's dive into what makes this modular home an outstanding choice for modern living. First off, let's talk about the design and structure. The Barn Homes double-story flat pack house features a sleek and contemporary design that maximizes space and functionality. Its two-story layout provides ample living space without a large footprint. The modular design allows for easy assembly and disassembly, making it perfect for those who need a flexible and portable housing option. The exterior is constructed from high-quality, durable materials that ensure longevity and resilience against various weather conditions. Inside, the flat pack house is designed with comfort and practicality in mind. The first floor includes a well-equipped kitchen and a spacious bathroom. The kitchen features modern appliances, ample storage space, and stylish finishes that make it both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The bathroom is outfitted with contemporary fixtures and a shower, ensuring all the comforts of a traditional home. The thoughtful design of these spaces ensures that you have everything you need for day-to-day living. The living areas of the Barn Homes double-story flat pack house are equally impressive. The open-plan layout on the first floor creates a sense of spaciousness, while the large windows allow for plenty of natural light, enhancing the overall ambience. The second floor is dedicated to the sleeping area, providing a cozy and private retreat. The intelligent use of space ensures that the home feels larger than its compact size suggests. One of the standout features of this modular home is its foldable design. This innovative feature allows the house to be easily transported and set up in various locations, whether you want to place it in a rural setting, an urban environment, or even use it as a vacation home. The flexibility of the Barn Homes double-story flat pack house makes it an ideal solution. The assembly process is straightforward and can be completed quickly, allowing you to move in and start living without the lengthy construction times associated with traditional homes. Energy efficiency is another key benefit of this modular home. The house is designed with sustainable living in mind, featuring energy-efficient appliances and systems that reduce your overall energy consumption. The well-insulated structure helps maintain a comfortable indoor temperature year-round, lowering heating and cooling costs. This focus on sustainability makes the Barn Homes double-story flat pack house an excellent choice for environmentally conscious individuals. In terms of customization, the Barn Homes double-story flat pack house offers plenty of options. You can choose from various finishes, fixtures, and layouts to suit your personal preferences and needs. This level of customization ensures that your home reflects your style and provides the functionality you require. Whether you need extra storage, additional sleeping areas, or specific design elements, this modular home can be tailored to meet your requirements. In terms of durability, the Barn Homes double-story flat pack house is built to last. The robust construction and high-quality materials used in its design ensure that it can withstand the rigors of transportation and the challenges of different environments. This durability makes it a reliable long-term housing solution, whether you plan to live in it full-time or use it as a temporary dwelling. In conclusion, the Barn Homes double-story flat pack house is an outstanding choice for anyone seeking a modern, flexible, and sustainable housing solution. Its sleek design, practical features, and innovative foldable structure make it a top-tier option for those looking to embrace tiny living or add a versatile living space to their property. Whether you're a minimalist, a nature lover, or someone who values mobility and convenience, this modular home has something to offer. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more unique and innovative product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.